2, 3, 4.
That's it? Okay.
It didn't grow me. Yeah. Yeah, my wife, she likes to buy clothes, and she was a stickler on taking care of them too.
Yes. No, I spoke up at 6. That's good. I'm out yard selling. Yeah. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm doing. All right, hon. I've got a
Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, probably not. I'll probably yeah.
Would you take 3 for both of
What's the of America?
Like a little cover, like a blue jean jacket.
Seven. How you doing? You live here? What's that? You doing the same?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hats?
Yeah, 50 cents a piece.
Oh, 15, okay.
Yeah, 50
So
cents a piece.
350?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Did I count wrong?
7, 8.
Oh, okay, well I'm way
No,
out there.
you're fine. You're fine. Now I can't do math.
Me neither.
Do you want a bag for those?
Oh no, it's okay. I got a bag in the car. Is that 4? Make sure I get you 4.
Yeah, that's
okay.
4.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank
Take it easy.
you. You too.
No, I was trying to turn that off.
He's here.
Oh, okay.
Did you text me?
I did. How about the remote? He didn't bring him. He has to go back and look.
I'm just around the corner.
Yeah, he's gonna come back.
I'm just around the corner.
How much for your shirts?
It's $2 a piece, but I'll take an offer.
All right.
They go in the back of your seats in your car. And you sit down, it's like a little table. Oh, that's cool. Oh, actually, it looks like this one has different.
How much for the hats?
You want to do $1 a piece?
Okay, we can do that. And then the shirt.
We'll just throw that in for free. How about that?
Hey, look at you. That's the way to do it. All right, let me get you. So I got 1, 2, 3.
$1, $2.
Let's make it 5. So $5. I got 5 hats.
Yep. Yeah, you can start. Do you do the Nulu stuff?
2, 3. Not Nulu. I've never actually been down there before. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5. You go down there a lot?
No, we were just
Count
we had
that.
taken my girlfriend out for.
Count that real quick.
Oh.
I think I might get it.
2, 3, 4.
That's it. Okay.
for a weekend, and
Okay.
we stayed down there, and you know,
How was
everything's walkable right there.
Yeah, that's what I heard. My wife wanted to go down there, and we haven't been down there yet. It's so busy.
Interesting. I
Yeah.
mean, it has great food trucks.
Really?
That's
yeah,
what I
that's
really
what I
like.
like. That's what I like. Right
Yeah,
there.
that's the reason that was our Sunday, was to go to the food trucks. And then, you know, it's just nice to walk around and see stuff.
Right. I got one more hat from you. Great.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it. What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Listen here. I just went to a neighborhood yard. I thought I had my seatbelt on, but that's my fanny pack faking me out. Let me put my seatbelt on. So I went to a neighborhood yard sale. It's Friday. The neighborhood yard sale's on Friday. It's Friday and Saturday, and then Friday's always the light day, so it was only a couple house. Found some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Mostly clothes, shirts, and hats and stuff like that.
Turn left onto South Hurstford Parkway.
What you hear there is me going to the Goodwill bins, all right? It was a light day, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work later, but it's still early. It's 9:21. Goodwill bins open up at 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna go over there. I usually like to be there at 9.
Turn
You
left
know,
onto
I don't
South
want to be all
Hurstford
picked
Parkway.
over and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go anyway, see what we can see. Hopefully we can get some more pieces, you know what I'm saying? Now, that last yard sale I went to, they had, you know, a number of hats, and usually I get all hats, especially when they're $1. But I got so many hats that I try my best to leave some behind. What's that on my screen? Can y'all see that? It looks like a piece of hair, but it's inside the lens.
Bruh.
I try myself to leave stuff behind because I just got so many, you know what I'm saying? I need to sell some, so I should get them all, because you never know. You probably leave the gems behind, but like I always say, you know, you leave something for somebody else, maybe I get blessed on the other end, you know what I'm saying? So let's get over to the bins and see what the bins has for a brother. At the Goodwill bins. Let's see if we get lucky. Back at home, hopefully you can see me in here. It's kind of dark in here, I don't know why, but for some reason I've been on this cotton picking thing. Maybe I shouldn't have said it like that.
Bruh.
For some reason I've been on this clothes thing. I promise they wasn't playing, I didn't mean to say it like that. But anyway, cotton picking. Anyway, cause I got a bunch of clothes and hats and stuff like that. Hoard goods, I've been kind of like, I don't know, I miss shopping kind of different because of the platforms that I'm on, the stuff that I'm selling. Clothes been doing fairly good. I remember back in the day when I first started reselling, maybe a little bit into it, I said, you know, I'm a hold on the clothes, and I didn't buy no clothes. I passed clothes straight up, everything straight up. Now it's like, that's what I'm picking up. But I'm picking up, you know, I'm in a niche, you know, vintage, t-shirt type niche, crew necks, not everything. So anyway, let me tell you, I'll show you what I got. I ended up going to the neighborhood yard sale, like I was telling you earlier. I went to a couple house, picked up some hats and stuff like that. Also went to the Goodwill bins, which I only picked up a couple things there. I was kind of picked over because I got there kind of late. And I went to the not the Goodwill, a thrift store here locally. Anyway, let's go over what I got. So first, let's go through these hats, man. I got some nice little hats. I got them in no specific order. I got a lot of these from the thrift store, some from your sales, and so got that. Now if anybody knows what ODP means, let me know. It's a nice vintage hat. Got a Santa's. I like how that one look. That's who does our uniforms at work. Derby, Kentucky Derby. I usually collect all Derby stuff, man. Nice little Coca-Cola patch on the side. This is real nice and clean. This hat is nice. Wonder Bar. Jelly Belly patch on that side. Goes Gym. And then who's that? What racer is that? Number 20. Who's that? Anyway, this is a nice vintage hat. And then some other ones. Some Cadillac. Got a nice little Cadillac emblems on the back. Honeywell. Another Cadillac. Cat. This is a $40 hat right here. Some skirmid eggs on it. Dope hat. This is a Ford hat. It's a local hat because it got Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's not too far from me. PGA Championship 2000 hat. Got some training center. What's that? Tenada Hills? What is that? I don't know, but I know it's Cat. I looked one up, and these hats do pretty good as well. I actually got two of them. A blue one and a navy one, like you can tell. Got the Cat emblem on as well. Anvil Bitters hat, and this is a Cat D series hat as well. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Got some more hats over here. It's LG&E, light, gas, and electric. Here, hats, 96. Those are vintage. Papa John's, and these are crispy. I think these are employee hats. They super crispy. I looked one of these up, man. I seen an employee hat go for $28. Another one go for a little bit higher than that. The tag was a little different. This one says Papa John's, and I can tell it's an employee hat, but those might be a little bit older. But I seen one like this, and they still go for like 20 something. So that's good. Boy Scouts of America character counts hat. It wrote S Woods in there, but it's still in great shape. And some Coca-Cola hats. Eye Fountain. There's another one just like it. Nice pickup, man. Most of these hats I got for $1. There was one yours said that I seen earlier where I got 7 hats for $4 or something like that. So I'm into these hats a little less than $1, which is great. And I got all kind of hats. I probably got, I don't know, 500 hats that I need to go through and do some stuff, but I got a plan for them, so just stay tuned. Straight up! I got some vintage Notre Dame shorts. Look at these joints. These are pretty nice. If I was a Notre Dame fan, I would keep these and wear these with a vintage hat. Embroidered Notre Dame. Got the shorts with the shorts. And then a couple hats from at first. Shirts. They had a bunch of Disney kid stuff. I'm not into that right now, and I should have sat there and went through all the kid stuff and got all the Disney stuff, but you know, a kid stuff just doesn't do that good for me, even if it is Disney 4T stuff. I got this one just because I know somebody whose child is a 4T, and I don't know, just got it. I probably shouldn't have. Got this little volleyball joint in single stitch. He had a lot of old volleyball shirts too, but I just, you know, who wants old school volleyball shirts? I don't know. Maybe somebody out there does. And this is the 80 Bauer. I only got this because Stripes is in. People like little stuff like this. And yeah, when you're shopping for clothes, you just gotta know what's in. And a lot of people like these stripe, oversized type look nowadays for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, got a couple more pieces. Got this Charlie Brown pieces, which the lady threw in for free because I bought the hats. It's a Peanuts tag. Got these 3 pieces these last couple pieces I actually got from the bins, all right? And I didn't film in the bins because it was chaotic in there. It's Old Champion reverse weave, but somebody cut it off and made it off the top, some chick. But people like these. It's summer, you know, and people work out in those, so that's the reason why I got it. This might be a personal. It's an Adidas. It got the camouflage on the end. I got a couple pair of Yeezys that I can wear with these, and you know, stuff like this. I might wear the hoodie with shorts. You know, I can't tell y'all my style. Why am I giving out my style secrets up? So anyway, this is large, and that's what I wear. So I might keep that. It might be a nice little workout joint for me. A Vans hoodie, this is size small. My son will probably want this because he can wear his skinny pants in his Vans. Skinny? Nah, my son ain't wearing no skinny pants. And a Northwestern JanSport nice hoodie. I actually looked one of these up, and these JanSports do pretty good, especially in Northwestern. I seen one go for like $30-something. So that was pretty good. And then this Biggie shirt. It's a modern Biggie shirt, which is still nice. Ben store, man, I only spent what on those pieces? I think I only spent $4 or something. I don't know. How many pounds is that? Maybe a little bit more. Anyway, that's it, man. You know, just a couple of quick yard sales this morning. Thrift stores, bins. I hit a little bit of everything today, right? And that's how you gotta do it. You know, when you off, you know, you gotta go around and accumulate stuff. And that's how you gotta do it. You know, if I just would have went to one yard sale, I just would have got, you know, a couple of hats. But I went to multiples, and then I went to the thrift store, and then I went to the bins, and I end up with, I don't know, 20 hats and some merch. Not really merch, but it's clothes, right? Some cotton. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.